Hello guys, so in this video I'm going to explain how you can manage your n8n account, okay, and get a good deal, okay, because I'm going to explain here. For example, n8n pricing is a little bit for the beginner, okay, a little bit is price is high, okay, $20 is billed annually, okay, each month. But if you try it month by month, the price will be 25. So the deal is that Hostinger is offering a VPS, okay? For example, this one with a good configuration as a start, okay? You can use it and start benefit with many applications. You can use them on this VPS, okay? And so, okay, this month, okay, as you see here, the price is under $10, okay? So the problem, okay, in n8n, okay, the price is a little high, and for example, you can't use the VPS in other things but n8n, okay? But here with VPS, okay, you can use it for n8n, for WooCommerce, for WordPress, and for Docker, okay? And there's many applications, okay? So the deal is use it with n8n, okay? For example, you confirm and you can finish the setup, the payment, and anything else, okay? Here is the data, for example, your personal data, okay? You are going to continue, so you can pay. You put the payments method and everything, okay. At the end you will get something like this, okay. Now for example, I am inside an account that I bought with Hostinger, okay, and I can manage my n8n, okay, with the price that I told you, for example, okay. So manage your apps and you are going to log in n8n with the same advantages you got with n8n subscription, okay. And you can create as much you want of workflows and of applications, okay. So there is a link below in the subscription, a referral link with this offer. And I hope you, if there's anything, any question, don't hesitate, just talk to me, send me a message, a comment, and I will be glad to reply. Thank you everyone.